Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to order for later on Panda. Now if you want to order something for later and you want to keep it on schedule for right now but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to order something for later, then you need to simply follow these steps shown in the video. So simply watch the video till the very end. Now to do so, make sure that you have installed the Panda app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from Play Store or App Store. So I have already installed, so I'll simply open the Panda app on my device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you need to open the Panda app and then you need to choose the restaurant where you want to order from. You need to add the items to your cart. So if you have added anything on your items, you need to simply add the items to your cart and go to the checkout phase. So after going on the checkout phase, you will see the option of schedule order or order for later option. So after seeing the option, you need to select the preferred date and time for your delivery. So if you want the order to be delivered day after tomorrow, then you need to select that date and the time for your delivery. And you need to confirm the order and complete the payment if that is required to fulfill your order. So after doing all of it, you will be able to receive the order which you have done today, day after tomorrow or later. So that's it. That's how you can order for later on Panda. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.